Welcome to the next episode of the Shoot Through series. Nicole, I think this series is getting a bit dull. Maybe we should give it a lift.
Yeah, I would say do not quit your day job, but we've got a jack here today, and obviously most vehicles come with a jack. The most dangerous part of motoring is almost when you need to change a spare wheel. You'll have your jack with you. Can you use this to stop around?
I don't know, let's shoot it.
Looks like the humble jack beat 9mm Parabellum. Time for 223. So the jack beat the 223 as well. Jaco, what is next?
Well, I think this is a good candidate for the 50 cal series. In the meantime, buy a SVI vehicle to be safe.